how to use Dasher Direct virtual card in store. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use Dasher Direct virtual card in store, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up Dasher Direct app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, log in or sign up to your account and then you'll be redirected to this page. So, what you need to do is tap on More in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Manage Card option under the Account and Cards. Accordingly, tap on Apple Wallet and add your Dasher Direct card to Apple or Google Pay. For in-store purchases, hold the top of your phone near the card reader until you see done or a check mark on the screen. So that's how you can use Dasher Direct virtual card in store. That's all for this video.